It's Thursday, August 3rd, and a little overcast today, but oh my gosh, the humidity has disappeared and we've had some much cooler weather. It looks like it might storm, but oh well. That's the Bella Filati weather report that I seem to give you every night that I'm on, so something to talk about. I told you that Cascade Noble Cotton came in. I wanted to show you. I have so many colors, maybe 19 or something like that. And I also want to remind you that Shannon, the co-owner, she and her husband own Cascade Yarns in Washington State, and she is going to be here in the store on Saturday the 26th during social knitting. So please make a plan to come on the 26th to social knit, because she will be here to talk to you all about the yarns that they have. It will be so interesting. You can knit along and listen to her. She will talk about where they are manufactured all over the world, from India to Italy to South America, wherever it is. And she's so knowledgeable, and you will learn so much about their yarn and how yarn is made and designed, and how the colors are chosen. So that's on the 26th. On the 27th, on Sunday, she will be teaching a boxy tee class. Simple pattern. The front and the back are identical. You sew up and sew the seams. 5 o'clock. Sew the seams, and it's a little drop shoulder summer tee. She is going to be describing it and teaching it how to do it out of noble cotton. So I wanted to show you all of our noble cotton colors so you can get so excited about it. And if you can, and noble cotton is just beautiful. It's mercerized. It has a beautiful sheen. It has 220 yards, which is awesome. And it has beautiful stitch definition. So it really shows the work that you're bothering to do. And the boxy tee is a lacy boxy tee. And so you will be able to see all that great work. So let me just hold up, rather than holding up 19 different colors, I'm going to show you the neutrals, right? So there's white, there's cream, there's this beautiful taupe, then there's silver, black, and then the gold. So those are just gorgeous, gorgeous neutrals. And then if you're so inclined, we have neons. What? Gorgeous neons, perky and bright, so fun. So you want to be hip and trendy, go for it. And then I have all these cool blue, green, turquoise, lavender, orchid, just so pretty. And last but not least, I have the warms, red, orange, that beautiful, I don't know what that is. It's a gorgeous color, that orangey bronze color, and then the gorgeous warm yellow. Let me look and see. Oh, no, I gave you pink. Yeah, the pink. I was thinking, where's the pink? But the pink is here. It's neon. So anyway, all right, those are all the colors I have. Plenty of stock for you to pick something so you can join the boxy tee class. Please do it. We will send out a little notification about it, and you can sign up for the class. She's looking forward to being here. So you will learn a lot. She's great. She's incredibly smart, but very entertaining and super knowledgeable. So that's August 26th and 27th. All right. Remember, the Art of Color is August 13th, Sunday. There's 4 spots left. Don't forget that. And then you can sign up is open on our website, Bella Filati, for the Changing Colors retreat in the mountains in October on the 7th and 8th. So it's really the 6th, 7th, and 8th. You arrive on the 6th and leave on the 9th, hopefully. It will be a beautiful stay on Lake Junaluska at the Lambeth Hotel. So look that up. Sign up for that. Sign up for the class with us. And then there's a link to send you to the Lambeth Hotel to reserve your room. So there you go. Just going to be a blast. Can't wait. Ann Weaver's going to be there teaching. Remember, steeking. The second day, steeking, you get a thrift shop sweater and cut it up. And then the first day, we're going to start with beginner brioche. And you know, brioche is not my fave, but lots and lots of people are interested in doing it. So I'm going to see if I've taken the class. I failed. I haven't taken her class, so I'm going to take her class and see if I can succeed. And then we will do Fair Isle. So the whole weekend is about color and using color and etc., in our work. So nothing but fun, plans. All right, I will see you tomorrow, Friday.